Well, hello, everybody. I've had a couple of questions on how to find the resources that you are looking for within our vault of lesson plans. So, whether you are our free member and have access to our Start Here, or you are a paid member and you have access to the Algebra 1 course as well as the geometry course. Now, to find out what you have access to, you can just look underneath my products, and all of these things are what you have. The things down below are what is available that you may not have opted in for. So I'm going to go ahead and just start over here and make sure that we are starting from the home screen. Anytime you want to go back to where you can see everything, you just click on the little logo on the left-hand side. And let's say I need to teach something on inverse functions. So I'm going to type in inverse here. And when I type in inverse, it shows me if I only have the free membership, it will show me the inverse functions right here. If I have the paid algebra membership, it will also show me where I can find those inverse functions. So if I'm going to look up something like volume, because I'm teaching geometry, I can see all of the different places where the word volume is in the title of the lesson plan. So this is a very quick and easy way that will take you directly to the lesson you're looking for, and you will have all of your downloads ready for you, and you will be ready to go. So I hope this is helpful to you. I hope that it helps to save you time. Have a great day and let me know if you have any questions.